How to connect Supabase with Claude AI. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Claude AI. Now, make sure that you are signed in to your Claude AI account and then go ahead and tap on the Customize option from the left side toolbar. Here, tap on the Connect Your Apps option you see there and then tap on the search bar you see there on top and search for Supabase. Further, tap on the plus icon you see there right beside Supabase and you will now be required to sign in to your Supabase account. So go ahead and sign yourself in, or you can also simply sign in using your GitHub account. So go ahead and sign yourself in and then go ahead and authorize API access for Claude. So tap on the Create an Organization option you see there and then go ahead and create your organization. Once the organization has been created successfully, you will be required to tap on the Authorize Claude Account option you see there in order to authorize API access again. So tap on the Authorize Claude option you see there and wait for the process to be redirected. And once redirected, as you can see, you have been successfully connected to Supabase. So this was about how you can connect Supabase with Claude. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.